So what do you do if Cash App says that this transfer has been failed? Now I will simply tell you 6 possible reasons why Cash App transfer failed, as well as how to fix as well. So with billions of cash and money transfer happening each day, there are bound to be many failed transactions as well, and it's just a numbers game, and extremely popular Cash App is also no different. And here are simply some of the reasons. Number one reason is either because your bank or card issuer is declining the transaction. Now this is perhaps the most common reason why a Cash App transaction might fail, and it's one that's the biggest. It's also very infuriating, as 9 times out of 10 you'll have to contact the bank or card issuer to get to the bottom of the issue. The bank can decline the transaction for a wide variety of reasons that include not having sufficient funds, having a frozen account status, or invalid card number or expiration date. You could try to simply complete the transaction again after double checking that all the details are correct, or in case that it says it fails, just try contacting the bank. Now other reason could also be because your bank account doesn't have enough money. Now this one's pretty obvious. If you don't have enough money in your bank account and you want to transfer some to Cash App, of course you're going to be declined. So before making a transfer, always make sure you have sufficient balance in the account. The third reason could be potentially fraudulent payment. Now this error happens more often than you realize. It often says Cash App payment cancelled for your protection, or some similar wording. Now you see that Cash App and basically every other financial institution has to adhere to anti-money laundering and anti-terrorism laws. Sometimes in order to adhere to them, the algorithm gets a bit overzealous and flags ordinary everyday transfers as fraudulent and cancels them on the spot. Number 4 reason could be the technical issues with Cash App or bank. So we all know that almost nothing on the internet is perfect, and that of course extends to financial, money management and banking apps as well. And these things crash left and right. Some days they work and some days they don't work at all. The number 5 reason could be your Cash App limit. Now anyone that doesn't have a verified Cash App account will have some limits set to their account, and here in the US the limitations for sending and receiving cash are $250 per week or up to $1,000 within 30 days. And in the UK the limit is €250 per week, and to send €500 to receive money. The limits are what they are, and they might be too low for some, especially those that intend to use the Cash App to receive their paychecks. Now you can also simply go ahead and increase your Cash App limits. If you're unhappy with your Cash App limits and you want to raise them, you'll have to verify your account by supplying your date of birth, your first name, your last name, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And the final reason for this is invalid details or cards. So we touched upon this a bit earlier, but this is also one of the main reasons for a failed transfer. With so many different cards available on the market, it's sometimes hard to differentiate which one you exactly have. It's also important to input the correct details. So just keep all of these factors in mind. So I hope this video at least gave you some reasons as to why this error could be happening and how you could possibly fix them. Just try to get to the root of the solution. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.